Hi, this is Smart Academy. I am giving classical mechanics classes for CSR, just net, JRF, IATG. I am discussing about rigid body dynamics. So, in this class, I want to explain moment of inertia. Moment of inertia. So, moment of inertia here for thin rod of length L. See, I want to find moment of inertia of thin rod of length L. See, this is thin rod of length L. See, this is a perpendicular. This is L by 2. See, this is a thin rod of length L. This is this is perpendicular. This is L by 2, L by 2. See, here we have different cases. See, first A, axis. Where is the axis? Where it is located? So here through its center and perpendicular to the rod. Its center and perpendicular to the rod. So for this case, if the axis of rotation is through its center and perpendicular to the rod, in this case, the IC moment of inertia through the center of mass, that value is equal to ml square by 12. ml square by 12. This is the first case. So what is the first case? The axis is passing through center and perpendicular to the rod. So in this case, the moment of inertia of this rod ml square by 12. I am moving one more case, axis through its one end. Through its one end and perpendicular to its length. So this is the case. So here I am drawing diagram. So this is the length L of the rod. So this is the axis. So about this axis, we have to find the moment of inertia of this rod of length L. See, the axis passing through its one end and perpendicular to the rod. So in this case, so how do we solve this one? So already I explained in last videos, according to parallel axis theorem, I dash equal to ICM plus MA square. ICM plus MA square. See here, already we have, this is ICM. See, this is ICM. So already we know ICM value, that is ml square by 12. So this is the ICM moment of inertia about the center of mass. See, we have to find moment of inertia at one of its end. So ideas we have to find, already we know ICM. The distance between these two axes, that is L by 2. Remaining part also L by 2. So what we have, the theorem, parallel axis theorem. See, if you want to find any moment of inertia about any axis, that is equal to ICM plus m into a square. Here m is mass of the rod, a is the distance between two axes. So what is the distance here? L by 2. Just substitute here. ICM L by 2 whole square ICM ml square by 4. So already we have ICM here ml square by 12 plus ml square by 4. So if you move here I dash equal to ml square by 3. This is the case second. So I discussed two cases. Here first case is the axis passing through its center and perpendicular to the rod. Then second case the axis is at one of its end and perpendicular to the rod. According to parallel axis theorem, I calculated moment of inertia at one of its end axis, that is ml square by 3. So next video I want to explain one more case.